Hi, I'm Stephanie Gilchrist at Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty. I want to show you this really cute house in Rutland, in Kelowna, in the heart of the center of this city, where you have amenities, you have a giant backyard, you have the Mission Park Greenway, all the shopping you could want, and a great layout for a family. Let's take a look. This home has had substantial renovations. The kitchen has been completely redone, as well as all the major ticket items. It's really well done. I also want to highlight this mudroom. It comes in off the carport, and it's a great space for kids and all your stuff. As you can see, the downstairs is ready for your ideas, and you can basically double your square footage. This is a wonderful 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home with a huge backyard on a fantastic street close to everything. Give me a call for your personal tour today.